la belle and welcome to my channel. We are going to be doing some neutral lippies today, so you already know the drill. We're going to get right into the video. We're going to start off with a black liner. I have like this Ruby Kisses liner that does not pick up well. Like it's not black, like I mean like I'm using an eyeliner. It is by Ruby Kisses 24-hour eyeliner. This feels very dramatic. You're gonna blend it in with your lips and with your with your mouth. Okay, see how I kind of made it disappear, so I'm gonna go back and add it in again. Next, I'm gonna go in with a nude. I'm going in with Loyalist by Maybelline. It's the Super Stay Matte Ink. And if anybody from Maybelline is watching this, I want you to bring back the coffee edition. I already tweeted about it. You need to do something about it ASAP. This is not at all as nude as I thought it would be, but it's very pink. I should have freaking noticed that from the bottle. No way, Jose. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm gonna go in with my fortune cookie in the middle. Okay, that's better. Look, even like this, it's not enough, but all right. And now I'm gonna go, you could leave it like this if you want, but I wanted to blend in some more, so we're gonna go in with a clear lippy. So this is the first look. I don't really have names for these looks, so this is just neutral lip one. But okay, I'm lazy, yes, and it was looking a little bit hard to get the gloss on the black liner, so we're going to keep it around our lips into the next lip look. You're gonna need NK lip liner in the shade Cocoa. I'm taking my brown and I'm just going underneath the black liner. If you have the Morphe Chestnut, that could work too, but this is supposed to be drugstore friendly, aka Black Sephora. Brown is picking up so well. Like I did not know she would eat like this, because usually like drugstores, sometimes they don't mesh well. Like I don't know if you noticed, but the fortune cookie was starting to coagulate and separate on my lips, which was not cute once you put like a clear gloss on it. Maybelline Super Stay, this is 65 Seductress, and I'm gonna put that at the center. She kind of eats, y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna take the clear gloss again and I'm gonna put it everywhere. You could leave it, if this was originally matte, I would leave it like that, but meaning all looks must glow with gloss. Oh my gosh, like when I smile, that ate. Ah! Your girl look good. Nah, this eats. Like now I have to go to every event, every gala, every first date with this lip look. Well, can't help the fact that I'm already mugging. Yeah, my favorite dish is a mug. So we're back. I took off most of the black liner, but we're still having another look to do it with. We're on to look number 3. So I was scouring online. I found this cute lip look. The girl ended up telling me what the look consisted of. It's from Sephora. Sephora's not really close to me, so it's really out of my way to go there. I tried to find the video using ChatGPT and I wasn't able to, so then I thought it was something O2, Sephora Lip O2, but it wasn't even that. She ended up telling me what it was, but that's not the point. The point is, the dupe for the O2, which I thought, is actually, I don't even have it. It's called Model Behavior. That's what the dupe seemed like, but I couldn't get that because my Ulta is a little bit ghetto. And I had to go one color above, but low-key, I think this will suit me better because it's darker. Anyways, I chat too much. The next color we're gonna use is Revlon, the Color Stay Limitless Matte in the color 003, and it's called Upper Hand. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, this is a nude. This is a nude. This is such a nude. I love it. It has a little pink to it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Low key, I'm like, does this look any different from Seductress and Maybelline? Comment down below. Revlon or Maybelline? Revlon 003 or Maybelline 65 Seductress? You know, I can't do a video without including NYX Lingerie XXL in the shade Getting Caliente. I want to make the center orange to make that my center point. Like, makeup is an art, right? And you know, art has like the subject and like I forgot all my art words, but if you're into art, you know what I'm talking about, like the center, the focal point. I want to make the orange my focal point without being too orangey. That makes sense. I don't know. Right? So now, you know, I'm gonna end it always at the clear gloss. So she's cute. I wonder if I overdid it with the orange. I think I did. And it's like bleeding everywhere. I feel like Halloween. This look is cute. She has the potential to be neutral. It's just that I put a little bit too much orange. All right, this is look 3. I'm here for it. We're gonna do brown first. We're gonna go in with the Revlon with 60 and the Maybelline Stay Matte. This is definitely a little bit more pinker. That's okay. But she's eating down. I'm trying my best not to add fortune cookie to it. Now you can leave it like this, but you know me, I have to come through and I'm gonna add the gloss. I love it, 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 I love it. So I found my second favorite. Like, I was so scared. Do you know how hard it is to find another lip liner besides Chestnut that works on a brown skin mamacita? I can only imagine what it's like for, you know, dark-skinned women, because I'm over here struggling to find other variations that's not just Chestnut, because Chestnut is literally holding me down. But this Cocoa kind of came through, my boy. And we are on to our 5th look. Like, who would have thunk we'd make it this far? Who would have thunk? So we're going back in with Cocoa. So far, do you have a makeup? Do you have a favorite lip look that I've done so far? If so, comment down which one. I'm gonna overline it with a dark brown since I don't have my Chestnut, and this is supposed to be Drugstore. We're gonna overline it with the Ruby Kisses black lip liner, lip pencil liner. So this part's a little bit tricky. I'm gonna put orange. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna put orange everywhere. And you're gonna kind of take it off. And then now you're gonna take the Morphe Drip Coffee in the drip glass drenched, and you're gonna put that all over. So it kind of has like that orange hue on it. I hope y'all can see what I'm talking about, and if you don't feel like it's enough, go ahead and go back. I know orange is such a scary thing to mess with. This will do, and voila, your lips look like a sunset. I've probably eaten so much clear lip gloss for this production. Y'all better give me my coin. I'm trying to understand, like, so I had done a similar lip look like this for Thanksgiving. I tried to recreate it so many times. I was being rushed to do my makeup. Eyeshadow came out cute. I go do the lips, and I just came back from work, and they were like rushing me. They're like, we've been waiting all day for you. And I'm doing my lips, and I try to do the brown lip orange from Sephora. It looked disgusting. I looked like a mess. It was just so hot orange, and I'm like, look, I want browns and mattes and nudes, but I don't want to look like this. So I take it off and I put on one of these. Don't ask me which one. This is why it's so important for me to record and take pictures of what I be using, because I don't remember what I put on, and it came out beautiful. And that's what we try to recreate today, but let me know what y'all think, because I don't think I did it right. Don't let my laziness fool you. I works hard for my lip combos, but just not today, y'all. I've been using the same lip liners kind of throughout the video. I wiped off what I had, and I'm center, but we're gonna keep basically lip liners that you're gonna use for this look include Cocoa and black lip liner pencil by Ruby Kisses. These together, like how we just did the last lip. That's why I didn't wipe everything off. Okay, gotcha, good. Now, go back in with the Morphe Drip Coffee. You're gonna line your lips with it. We better make ourselves a macchiato. I was barista for like 2 months. You would think I know how everything works and the differences, but I forgot. I literally only had one night to study all of that stuff. Killed me when someone asked me for espresso. I did not know what an espresso was till I had to do that. I was like, at that point, why'd you even come to the coffee shop? Don't you got this at home? Anyways. Then you go in, oops, sorry. You go in with Naked Dip in the center. I look so good. Dang, I look so good. Now you're probably thinking, oh, this is a gloss. She won't add a little clear gloss to it. And bet I will. And bet I will. Low-key, I want to go over my brown. It's not picking up as well as it should, but another reason why Drugstore has its limitations. Anyways, we're just gonna go in with the clear. I love this lip gloss look. I found it out like back in October, and look at how iconic it was when I first did it. I was just like, this eats. I don't do it as often as I should, only because like I don't buy a lot of Morphe products. I'm rationing, okay? I'm rationing. Like this is, I'm gonna finish my food and apply it for the first time material. I ain't gonna waste it on a couple of bites of chicken Alfredo. Come on now. And you're probably wondering, what's the difference between this and number 4? If you don't know the difference between this and number 4, meet me outside. How about that? Catch me outside, or whatever Bad Baby said. Anywho, this is the look. I love it, 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 I love it. So if you like what you've seen, let me know down below which one your favorite lip look was. What's the next kind of lip combo inspirations type video that you want to see? Are we thinking reds? Are we thinking pinks? Are we going outside of the box or going to the rainbow? Let me know. I mean, I already know what I'm gonna do, but what do you want me to do first? Coming up next, coming to you on a mobile device near you, or a gadget in which you can watch YouTube. I think you can watch YouTube on fridges now. I could be on your Samsung fridge right now as we speak, if it's Samsung. I heard LG good too. The point is, I'm so happy you tuned into my video. Thank you. I hope you're having a great day or a good night. Toodaloo. I already noticed when they eat. Aggressively chews gum. Shake it like a shotsecker. Wow. Wow. I caught that on camera. Okay. Mamma mia. Right. So, it's indigestion, y'all. I'm sorry. Did it. I 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 did it.